This is Listazos Mobile e-commerce. To get started, we need to log in with our username and password. Once we're in the app, on the top left corner, you can browse through the app settings. From here, you can change language, font size, and activate the catalog images. Back on the main menu, we can now press on New Order. From here, we can browse through the entire product list available to us. To add or remove products, we can press on the plus or minus signs on each item. We can also search by code, description, or category on the top search bar. To add a large quantity on any item, press on the middle number to show the number pad. You can also use a Bluetooth scanner by pressing on the barcode icon. And browse through categories to filter items quicker. To complete your order, we press on the checkout bar at the bottom. Now, we can check our cart, change quantities on the items or even remove them. We can sign for the order, and even add any necessary notes. Once completed, we approve the order, and it will automatically sync as long as we have an internet connection. Contact us if you have any further questions.